Tonight, former President Trump asking the judge in his hush money trial here in New York to toss out the conviction. His lawyers making the move just hours after today's ruling by the Supreme Court on presidential immunity. And President Biden tonight issuing a stern warning on what he calls a dangerous precedent set by the nation's highest court.
Today's decision almost certainly means that there are virtually no limits on what a president can do. This is a fundamentally new principle, and it's a dangerous precedent.
President Biden at the White House tonight reacting to today's ruling in the 6-3 decision that former presidents are protected from prosecution for some, but not all actions. Specifically, the ruling will affect whether the federal criminal case against former President Trump for his alleged conspiracy to overthrow the 2020 election, including January 6th, would go forward. In the majority decision, Chief Justice John Roberts saying the president may not be prosecuted for exercising his core constitutional powers, which include commander-in-chief powers, pardon powers, and appointing and removing federal officials.
Recognizing this kind of immunity, some absolute immunity for core presidential functions, some qualified immunity for other official acts, that seems to be what the opinion says, is an enormous addition of new powers and protections to the president in a way we just haven't seen before.
Former President Trump immediately reacting on social media, writing, "A big win for our Constitution and democracy." Trump had previously said,
"A president has to have immunity. If you don't have immunity, you just have a ceremonial president."
And President Biden's campaign with this major warning just 4 months from the election. They just handed Donald Trump the keys to a dictatorship. The case almost definitely pushes Trump's January 6th case and his classified documents case until after the November election. Special counsel Jack Smith not commenting, but now tasked with having to make the case that Trump's actions in office were unofficial acts. So the big question tonight, how will future presidents use the powers of the office virtually free from any worry they're breaking the law? Of course, only time will tell.